In this video, I'm going to be going over the SO tool in surface modeling. This is a very critical tool. It's pretty much it's one of the backbones of surface modeling. When you're creating a body, it's very useful. So I'm going to start from scratch here, and I'm going to build out a little prism type shape, I guess would be the technical term. Very simple, but hopefully effective in demonstrating it. So I'm going to start off with a arch here, just a curve, and then I'm going to extrude it out a bit and make it a sheet body. And then once it's a sheet body, I'm going to do some through curves or rather a through curve to fill in a side here. Change that to parameter. Oh, yep, classic. Middle mouse click to create a new section. Then there we go, that's fine. I have another video on through curves if you would like to learn more about it. Then I'm just going to use fill surface to fill in or to create curves at the top and bottom. And you know what? Let's use this fullness just for a little bit of fun here. I'm gonna put it in there. Yeah, nice, cool. And then position, tangent. Let's see if that works too. Maybe not. Yeah, let's not mess with that. Cool. Okay. So that's one side. That looks so strange. So that's one side. Let's go to the other one here. I'm not gonna bother with fullness on that one. Some edges do not have G1 continuity. Okay, in that case, you can just go up here and change it. Should be able to change it manually. Yeah, change it manually to G0. That should help it. And then now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 surfaces that encapsulate this form. It isn't a body yet. In fact, if you create a clip section, here, you can see that it's completely hollow on the inside, while a body would have like the typical lime green color to show that it isn't hollow. This is still just a collection of surfaces, and our intention is to create a body out of this. And one way we can do that is through the use of the SO tool. So the SO tool is pretty much what it says it is. It takes two surfaces and it sews them, combines them together into one surface. So if I go, I'm going to get rid of this clip section momentarily, and then I will sew these two together. So select one as the target, one as the tool. Doesn't really matter which is which. And you press OK, and these are now, if I highlight that, they're one surface now, or effectively one surface. But the cool part is if you sew together all the surfaces that encapsulate and enclose the body that you want to make, it will output as a solid, which is in the settings tab here. You can see body type solid. If I change it to sheet, it won't do that, but we want to make a solid out of the surfaces that encapsulate this geometry. So we change the body type to solid. And when I do that and click OK, if I sew together all of these sheets, all of these surfaces together, I can now make a solid body, which that's the lime green color that I was talking about earlier. That signifies that this is now a body that if I wanted to, I can do stuff like I can add a hole in here, which you typically wouldn't be able to do if it was a surface, because you can't really put a hole in a surface, but you know, you could throw a hole in there and it works perfectly fine, just like any normal surface would. You know, there you go. There you go. Cool. So that's how you use so. Let me see if there's anything else I want to talk about for it. I'm not gonna bother with that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know if that helps or if you have any questions.